Hey everyone, it's the captain here, Big Chimp Tactical, coming to you from the new humble home of Big Chimp Tactical. This is my workshop. About to be some exciting things happening in here. I ain't gonna mention any names or anything, but you know. First things first, I want to give a big shout out to the Main Man channel. He's a small channel over on the East Coast, but he's got a ton of videos. Go check him out. I told him I'd give him a shout out on my channel, so there it is. Today what we're going to be doing is opening the Defender bundle from Safe Life Defense. That is a concealable carrier, a tactical carrier, level 3A plus body armor. I didn't opt for the side panels yet, and then this also comes with level 4 rifle armor. So I haven't opened it up yet. I took off my shipping labels. Gonna get to it here and see how this all looks. All right. This is my first time opening this. Not cracked the seal yet. So just now. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Alright. Armor testing booklet. Seems like it's pretty well packaged here. Huh. It looks like it tells you exactly what all it'll stop. Yada yada yada. I already know that this is really good armor. I've been using it for a year. I was just finally required by my company to buy my own. Safe Life Defense. Oh, they're kind of chunky boys. Let's see here. Level 4 ICW. That'll work. Looks like they're in good shape here. Look at that. I guess this is my concealable carrier. I didn't remember that I ordered it in black. So here's the concealable carrier. Nice. Good quality. And here's the money shot, my tactical vest. Not too bad. I like. And then here's our 3A plus armor plates. What I really like about Safe Life is they have the extra side protection here that wraps around. So unless you're running the rifle plates, you really don't need the side panels. And even then, a lot of people opt out of using them. So that's about it. I want to thank you guys for watching this. This is going to be my armor for duty from now on. I'm trying to decide whether or not I'm going to run the rifle plates. I might just run the rifle plates and get some side panels. Haven't decided yet, but one way or the other, this is going to be wearing like every day. So hope you all have a great one. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Thank you. Have a good one.